How to delete a WordPress theme. Removing old and unused themes is considered good practice and helps to protect your WordPress website from vulnerabilities. So let's begin. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover your cursor over Appearance and click the Themes option. It shows the total number of themes available, which is currently 5. Hover your cursor over the theme you want to delete and click on Theme Details. In the bottom right corner of the screen is the Delete option. Click Delete. Click OK in the confirmation pop-up window. Scroll up and check if the total number of themes is displaying as 4, as a theme has now been deleted. Continuing, delete the unused themes one by one. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.